What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jim. We're back at it again. This is a different type of a number here. We're gonna do a recipe influenced by a famous YouTuber. You might have heard of him, freaking King Cobra JFS. What a guy! Tell you what a guy. And today we're gonna try one of his old specialties, freaking deep fried avocado. Here's the twist. He had it with the skin on, so we gotta we gotta try like the original recipe. So I got myself an avocado, definitely not ripe, but as they say, it is what it is, tubes. So we're gonna go ahead and prep this up and get it freaking deep frying and put some sauce, spices on there and give it an old try. So yeah, let's get to it.
Now we're gonna go ahead and quickly wash this here avocado, since we will be trying it with the skin on, as the original recipe suggests. Make sure this bad dog's extra dry, because oil and water definitely mix well. And we're just going to do a half and a half feature here. We're going to do, let's see, how do people do avocados? I want to tell you a little secret here. I am not the biggest fan of avocados. And you might say, well, but Jim, then why are you making this recipe? Because it's just that funny, you know? Give the old college twist. Look at that. Look at that color. Ooh, whoa. I agree, kitty. Whoa. Okay. I broke the nut in half because I'm too cool. So let's see what I can do here. I'm gonna attempt to scoop out old nut. Oh! It's all over the floor. Well, look at that. That's a snack for later. Though I think these are poisonous, so maybe not. That's good enough for government work. Look at that. We got two halves. Now this side, we're gonna go ahead and attempt to make some like French fry numbers here. And yes, skin on and everything. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is definitely not a ripe one. I am not what you would call a avocado aficionado. So we're just winging this number here. I got too big of a knife. Hold on. All right, now this might be too thin. I don't know. So here this is our slices, our French fries with the skin on, and let me prep the ones with the skin off. Oh yeah, look at that. Freshly peeled avocado. I think this is how they do it, right? Whoa! Jumping all over the place. As you can tell, the avocado is not mushing in my hand at all. It is actually similar texture to that of a potato. So this is all in good fun. All right, and boom, there we go. We got the half with the skins on and the half with the skins off. Now, if you want to stay true to the original recipe, he did leave the skins on, and it had what sounded like an outstanding crunch. So boom, we got our avocados here, and we're gonna be using my my little deep frying action here. So let's raise this dog up. Actually, I think I can raise it up another one. Boom, and let's get this cooking on high. I don't have an oil thermometer, so when it looks good, I'm gonna say it's good.
Now, while this oil here is heating up, Cobra is known for some spectacular drink combos. They really put your mind to the test. So I'm going to try to see if I can match just a smidgen of his greatness here. And so I got my Wild Bill's cup. No, it's not green cup. It's not see-through. I couldn't find my big see-through glass. And hey, today I'm going to do a combo with Red's Wicked Apple, Sour Apple, freaking good stuff. And I just saw this at the store and said, hey, look at that. Nasty Beast green tea 6.0. Make sure you're 21 and up. Make sure. So hey, we're trying to do a 1-to-1 special here. Boom. Oh yeah, I do have ice in my cup here. Let me sneak shot. Ooh, ow. All right, tubes. Ready for this? Oh yeah. That's gonna be good. And then let's finish it off with a little
This one's green. A little bit of re-lime. You know, because a little bit of sourness goes a long way. Oh, yeah. Let's go ahead and mix her up there, Tubes.
Now, I don't know if King Cobra has ever made this drink before, but his drinks are just insane. Definitely something to behold. So let's give this a try. You know what, Tubes? That gets the Jim seal of approval right there. Heck, that's pretty good. Ha! All right, let's get on to frying some fresh avocado. All right, Tubes. We got our pan here ready to go. I got my avocados on fly. We're going to do them half and half. We're going to do the ones with the skins on first and see how they go. And see if they taste good. Let's get into it.
All right, Tubes.
It's okay. It's a 5-second rule.
All right. Gonna put these in the old basket. Kind of spread them out here. Lower this bad dog in. We're gonna let them cook. I guess I need to make it a little bit warmer, but let's just put them in there. We're letting them do a little dizzy here. So yeah, those are gonna cook, and we'll see how it goes. Check it out, Tubes. We're getting some action on these pieces. Look at that. We're gonna go them all the way in. Basket in, dude. Whoa, look at that. Stuff's actually happening here. It's kind of crazy. All right, Tubes, check it out. We're starting to get a little color on them. Kind of hard to see. Little bit of brownish, a little bit of bubbling. But I assume these will be done actually fairly quickly. So I did not leave them in big pieces. They're pretty thin. So it's all kind of guesswork by me because I cannot compare to the amazingness of the King Cobes. But we will see how this goes. All right, Tubes, another status update. We've been like cooking it for about 5 minutes. We're starting to get a nice gold brown color on that. Look at that. I'm going to give it like another 5 minutes and then let it cool for about 6 hours. And then we'll be good to eat them.
All right, Tubes. I would say these are pretty good. I'm going to take them out, dry them off, and I'm going to put the skinless ones in there next. So get back to you in just a sec.
Look at that nice golden brown. Take them out before they start burning, you know. Shake out that oil. Oh, put them on this plate here. Wee, basket. Look at that. All right, got our basket back in. Take our, my wife tried one and said it tastes like banana peels. So that must be a good sign. She tried one just raw. But maybe the oil will transform the flavor. Look at that. Oh yeah. Hopefully they don't explode. Look at that. That's some work. That's beautiful. Oh yeah. I guess the oil is finally warmed up. These ones are freaking ripping. Look at them go. Woohoo! Here's these ones nice and drying and cooling down so I can give them a nice little try. Damn, Tubes, look at that. They're basically already done. It's only been like about a minute in the oil fryer. So look at that. Heck. We're gonna call it good right there. Freaking off on the old power and move these from the basket. All right, Tubes, look at this. You got them here. Check it out. We got those things on the plate. I'm gonna hit them with a spice combo from the Cobes himself. Maybe slightly modified because I don't remember if we put salt on them or not. So here, I'll check this out. All right, first off, we're gonna hit them just with a little bit of salt, you know, a little bit of salt action. Now this is fine salt, so it's gonna just a little sprinkle's gonna be enough here, you know. I think I'm feeling. It might be good to toss these, but we're gonna keep with tradition here. And tradition, I mean keep to Cobes. And we got some paprika, you know, a little spice action, a little number here. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. That's like art. And yeah, those are done. So let me get them on a plate. Let me get a sauce in a bowl, and we'll give them a try. All right, and here's our plate combo here. In the center, we got Hidden Valley Ranch, not a sponsor. But yeah, we are all played up, ready to go, and we'll go sit down and give it a try.
All right, Tubes. It's your boy Jim. I'm contemplating some life decisions right now. I'm not a huge fan of avocado. And I mean, okay, I gotta say, I'll show you what I mean. The presentation looks decent, you know, it's got good color. That paprika is doing a lot for the smell. I can understand the ones without the skin. I think that's enough talking. I think it's just time for me to try it. Let me go ahead and take a sip of the old drink combo. All right, we got our avocado slice, skin on. I don't know if you can see it, but skin is on that one, and Hidden Valley Ranch. Well, color me surprised. I don't know how I feel about that. Let me try without the ranch. That has the rind on it, yeah. You've seen it here first. Your boy Jim has gone for seconds on something that he absolutely is not a real fan of. Now, by themselves, the paprika and salt are doing a lot for these guys, I gotta say. Coves was absolutely right on paprika. Yet again, I don't remember if he put salt on them or not. But with the paprika and salt, it's not half bad. And if you do the ranch becomes basically the main flavor. Kind of a smooth action. And that rind, since I washed it, it just adds like an extra crunch. Okay. I am confused now. I'm going through a midlife crisis at the moment. At 25. I'm going to try one of these ones without the skin, without the rind. Yeah, it's hard to tell because it's all kind of dark. But I think today, King Cobra has shook me to the core. I took this food challenge expecting me to be absolutely appalled. This man knows his stuff. Go subscribe to King Cobra JFS because I'm at a loss for words. It's been real, dogs. It's your boy Jim, Cooking with Jim, deep fried avocados. Life slightly changed from this. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment, like below. Check out King Cobra JFS, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace out, homies.